Number 1. A man looks at a photo and says, "Brothers and sisters, I have none, but this man's father is my father's son." Who is in the photo? The answer is his son. Number 2. I can be cracked without being touched, opened without a key, and closed without hands. What am I? The answer is a case. Number 3. A room has no windows, no doors, and only one mirror. How did the man get out? The answer is, he looked in the mirror, saw what he saw, took the saw, and cut his way out. Number 4. What word becomes its opposite when you add 2 letters? The answer is, united becomes untied. Number 5. A man says, "Everything I say is false." Is he telling the truth? The answer is, it's a paradox. Number 6. I am always ahead of you, but if you chase me, I disappear. What am I? The answer is a deadline. Number 7. What is heavier, knowledge you carry or a secret you keep? The answer is a secret. Number 8. I have no voice, but I can make people confess. What am I? The answer is evidence. Number 9. What can be stolen without being touched and lost without being moved? The answer is trust. Number 10. A man enters a room, sees 3 people dead on the floor, water everywhere, and broken glass. What happened? The answer is a fishbowl broke. Number 11. I can be drawn but never erased, crossed but never walked on. What am I? The answer is a line. Number 12. The person who creates me does not want me. The person who buys me does not keep me. The person who needs me never sees me. What am I? The answer is a coffin. Number 13. What grows when shared but dies when hidden? The answer is an idea. Number 14. I am not alive, yet I can be born. I have no lungs, yet I can spread. What am I? The answer is a rumor. Number 15. A man is found dead with a recorder beside him. The recording says, "I can't go on," then a gunshot. How do police know it wasn't suicide? The answer is the tape had been rewound. Number 16. What can be divided forever but never reduced? The answer is infinity. Number 17. I am seen in the middle of nowhere, at the end of time, and twice in tomorrow. What am I? The answer is the letter O. Number 18. What prison has no walls, no guards, and no locks, yet many never escape it? The answer is the mind. Number 19. A man lives on the 20th floor. Every day he takes the elevator to the ground floor. But when he returns, he only goes to the 15th floor and walks the rest. Why? The answer is he is too short to reach the 20th floor button. Number 20. I can make one person rich and another person ruined, yet I am only a number. What am I? The answer is a score. Number 21. What disappears when you name it, but controls you when you don't? The answer is fear. Number 22. I have a beginning but no end, and I end many beginnings. What am I? The answer is death. Number 23. A man is surrounded by lions. He has no weapon, no shelter, and no escape route. How does he survive? The answer is the lions are in a dream. Number 24. I can prove you wrong without saying a word. What am I? The answer is a fact. Number 25. What gets stronger the more it is challenged? The answer is belief. Number 26. I can be true, false, simple, or dangerous. What am I? The answer is a statement. Number 27. A man pushes his car, stops in front of a hotel, and knows he is bankrupt. Why? The answer is he is playing Monopoly. Number 28. What can trap a genius but free a fool? The answer is overthinking. Number 29. I am made of questions, but I only exist because of answers. What am I? The answer is a test. Number 30. What is the only thing that becomes clearer when you stop looking for it? The answer is insight. And that's the end of the Top 1% IQ Riddle Challenge. How many did you solve correctly? Be honest. Did these riddles outsmart you? Drop your score in the comments and challenge someone smarter than you to try.